Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back, folks. Today it's going to be showing you how I go about deadheading my pelargoniums to extend the flower on each stem so you get more flowers and they last longer. As you can see, these here, you just get the odd one dying off there. These are singles. Some here, as you can see, some dying off there. That's a nice new shoot. Take you to show you the ones I've got in front of the house. It's just starting to rain again. It's warm today, but a lot of rain. Yeah, these are nice singles. As you can see, a lot of extra flowers underneath, so you need to deadhead them to encourage them to come back. Got one here, so all these need taking out. There's none left, no new ones to come up, so that head can actually come off that head. There's no new ones underneath to come, like this one here. There's got new ones there just to come back up. And this one here I got from Firebricks Nurseries. That's a really nice one. It's really enjoying this nice weather we're having. Got, yeah, this one I grew from seed last year. It's zonal, it's called Pelargonium single. These ticking out here like so. You can get them with your finger. There's a lot of them, so as you can see there's quite a few to come up there. So as soon as you see them going over, like that one there, nip them out, you can get your scissors and use that. I'll come back up to that one. This is one of my nicest ones, I'm really enjoying. Gorgeous, and that's got several to come back out, as you can see underneath. And that's got several to nip out there. Take you around to the other ones in the pots and the borders. I don't know if you can hear it, it's just starting to rain now. And that needs a lot taking out there, and that's got, yeah, plenty to come back up there. So I shall nip those out. So get my scissors and my little secateurs and show you how to go about doing it. So let's have a walk back through the garden, take a little shortcut. This is what I use. I've got these little deadheading secateurs that are really nice and sharp and well made, and then just ordinary garden scissors. So I'll just set this up. In fact, let's just do this one here. Just get this set up. Sorry about this. So that's it. So you can use either one of the tools. Scissors, I prefer these little secateurs. All you do is open it up like so, get hold of them, just like that. By doing these earlier, you stop any damage to the new ones that are going to come out. Get all the leaves up, all the petals up as well. You don't want them to fall onto the into the plant pot and start rotting fungus. This one here, that's it. Yeah, somebody start going over, that's when they need to be taken out. Yeah. What'll happen with these then? This one here, these from underneath. You see that? These from underneath there, they will come up and they will tighten up, so you'll end up with a full head of flowers again. So I shall just take you another one. I think one of these needs doing as well. These here, this one. These need doing. This one here, as you can see in the centre there, it's got plenty underneath, but you can see the ones, if you can just see that one, just in there, just in the middle. You need to get hold of those. Yeah, them off like so, get the leaf petals off. Really satisfying job this, because you know once you've done them, you get some really nice results from it. So yeah, that's that one done. Any others that I'm starting to go over? There's this one here, smaller flower head, but it still has plenty underneath, so let's take that dead one off. Let's have a look at these, shall we? These are a nice single. I love this bright colour red, it's gorgeous. Yeah, take these out. I know it may seem tedious, but the results are well worth it. Once you get into it, it doesn't take long. You might have to go through them all at first. But you can see them just starting to turn. They're the ones that are going over. So relaxing. I could do this for hours. Yeah, if you've got any questions regarding pelargoniums or any other plants in your garden, please freely ask. I'll be pleased to answer any questions if I can. And if you like my videos, please subscribe, everybody. And thank you for watching. And I appreciate if you give me a thumbs up. Nearly done this one. But I don't know if you can see there, you can see they start to rot, you see, which can basically kill off the rest of your flowers. Stop them all from coming out. So that's my pelargonium. How to deadhead and extend your flowering season. This one here, absolutely loads in the middle. But that has got, I didn't think that had got any, that has got a nice bunch ready for coming up. You can see those. Yep, plenty underneath, so they'll fill up again and look really nice. So yeah, how to deadhead your pelargoniums and geraniums to extend the flowers. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe, folks. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day, everybody, and keep safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.